So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here and we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, chair arrangement, and also on the right side we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement and dining counter with 3 chairs. We have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and also we have a sliding door here for rear entrance. On the left side we have washroom plus water closet for common use. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have wardrobe arrangement. Also we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose and a large glass panel for light purpose also. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, also TV unit on the front wall, and we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.